Man, we're live. It's hot here, Springfield, Missouri. We've got Scott and Clayton here. I'll show you what they came here, but they're Ford F100 World members, more so F100 enthusiasts. And sorry, he's got some cool story about this family, that it was in your guys' family for a while. We did that on a podcast, right?
The truck itself wasn't. We have a different truck we did.
That was the other truck that was in your family, but
so
we got a possible podcast coming out on F100 Talk, possibly coming out and stuff like that. I'm going to shoot a little video after this live thing, but guys, take a look at their truck. This is a garage build, I would call it, and they did a great job. Look at this sucker. My God. Okay, so what year is this? I'm guessing 64, right?
64. Yep.
And
F100. It's sitting on axles from a 76, but the frame itself still all the original frame under there, but it has air ride suspension.
Oh wow.
Bagged in 4x4, obviously. So
that's cool. And I love.
And it's a Cummins diesel.
Yeah, Cummins diesel. We probably lost a few people on that, but I don't care. I like what you guys did here. This was pretty cool. And you said it like you guys did that, and you added it.
Yeah, we kind of designed those and then cut them out in a plasma cutter, and
it's backlit, right?
It's backlit with LEDs behind it. Yeah, so
that's totally cool, man. That's cool. You guys see any water dropping down? They just washed it, so nothing's leaking on this Cummins. That's cool, man. As you guys can tell, I was already in it, looking at it here. Look at that, cool. See, here, 2 people watching. See, comment down below if you guys want me to look at anything. So, what'd you say this seat's out of?
Seats are from like a 91 Silverado. I'm gonna pick and pull.
That's cool, man.
Among several other parts in it.
Yeah, if it fits, it works, yeah. What was the gauges cluster out of? The center part there?
It's a Dakota Digital.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
It's all making sense, remembering it now. I like what they did there. You did Cummins and then put Ford in the middle. That's cool. That is awesome, man. And you said that you pulled this off of what? This
the bed cover is just off of a 2019 Super Duty.
Wow.
So Ford factory cover.
There you go. If you guys are looking for a bed cover for your long bed slick, there you go. Now you said you had the other truck. What's the other truck?
Still have a 54 F350.
And that's where the Cummins motor came
That's
out,
the
right?
motor. Well, it was from something different. When I put that Cummins in that 350 20 years ago, ran it for 15 years as a daily driver, and then parked it for future build or something, and we repurposed it here. So
well, you guys chose right on the engine, but that transmission, you're on your 3rd rebuild now or something like that?
Yeah, 2nd or 3rd, something like that. I don't know.
I want to blame Chevy, but really it's probably just old transmission. Gotta get it right on the rebuild kind of thing. That's cool, man. So what are these wheels? American Racing? Do they have a name or anything?
I think they're like a AR201 is the model name or something.
AR201?
Yeah,
it's cool.
Basically.
So is that LED thing on the back, is that for brakes?
That's
or
mount brake light.
You updated it? I thought so.
Yeah, it also has the lights for like...
all LED too.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then the Cummins badge there lights up. It's backlit too.
That's cool. Can we open the hood? I like that you kept the box on the side of the bed, man. That's cool. The toolbox.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure it was same.
Are these the Jeep headlights?
Yeah, I mean, they're just common 7-inch rounds, which I mean,
yeah.
we bought them from a Jeep website, but
probably get it on eBay, same thing.
Yeah.
So, what exact diesel engine is this? You probably already mentioned it.
It's a 4BT. It's the same thing like the Cummins 12 valve you always heard in the Dodge trucks from the 90s or whatever. This is just a 4-cylinder version of it.
That's cool.
This one itself is I think like 87, so it's a fairly...
Are you running front disc and rear disc or drum all the way around?
Front disc, rear drum, which is off of the 76 chassis.
That's cool. I like the modifications you had to do.
Yeah.
Hey man, make it fit.
Yeah,
know?
that brake booster is from a later model Super Duty diesel truck, and then the master cylinder got pulled off an F-150 because the original Super Duty was too big and stuff. So.
Yeah, it's definitely not a... I forget the name of that type.
It's a Hydro Boost.
Hydro Boost.
Yep.
I want to do that to my truck because I've been running a brake booster for a while, and it hasn't really been cutting it, honestly.
Yeah. No, this one, there's a pump that's power steering's off the same thing, so
that's
power
cool,
steering
man.
feeds
That is cool.
brake booster.
So this is pretty much rebuilt stock?
The engine?
Yeah.
It's...
Yeah, the truck is not rebuilt stock.
Not There's a few things. The turbo's different. We did put some better injectors in it.
Yeah.
Outside of that, it's, I guess, pretty much stock. But I mean,
Not with the AC compressor.
Cool.
yeah, AC compressor is kind of a custom thing we did, and with the alternator. But
That is cool. Now, are you running just a 1 battery setup?
yeah,
Wow, and it's doing a good job?
so far we didn't drive it a whole lot in the winter, just in the high
Right.
salt, but
Because I know other diesels, I think even, I think I saw Ford Air guy, Solomon.
yeah,
He has a 2 battery setup, but
yep, yeah.
it's kind of a safety thing, I guess, huh?
Yeah. I mean, this is about the biggest battery you can buy of a single battery.
Yeah.
But
It's filling up the stock tray there, so
It
it's
did,
doing a
yeah.
good job, yeah. That's cool. And this is a Champion radiator, or?
Yep, Champion radiator.
Now, is this out of F100? Is that what you got for, or did you find one from somewhere else?
I want to say it's from a Dent side, maybe.
Cool.
I can't remember. Yeah, it was later Model 4. It wasn't for this. We was trying to measure something because we needed one bigger cooling ports than what the factory for the 6 came with for the Champion. So
Cool, man.
it has the transmission cooler built into it. And kind of custom made the brackets so we can fit the intercooler up here in front of it.
Yeah, so this is coming off of the,
So it goes into the turbo.
I thought so, and that comes from there, and then
turbo
that
drops
feeds.
down, pumps air across the front here to the intercooler, and then back up this side.
That's cool. Did you upgrade the turbo at all? Did you
Yeah,
say
the
that?
turbo is upgraded. Yep.
What came original on, do you know?
Um,
It's like an,
so originally
shoot.
it was called a whole
Somebody
set
told me yesterday.
H1C, I think.
H1C, and then you
This is
upgraded.
the HW30X.
Is
or
that
sorry, HX30.
is that an upgrade stock one you got, or did you go aftermarket?
I
I don't know anything about Cummins.
Yeah, it's I don't know. I suppose we still come on Cummins. I don't know
Okay.
if they ever put them on the 4 cylinders, but
But it was
it came on some of the earlier 6 cylinders, I think. So.
That's cool. That's cool. Nice, man. Nice. Beautiful truck, dude. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna go for a little drive somehow. I don't know how 3 of us are gonna go 3 deep in this truck, but I think I'm gonna go for a ride on this. I might do some recording and do a video on this something later. Again, guys, this is a Ford F100 World member. If you're not, you are now anyway. And no, I've seen this truck, they contacted me. They're going on a little trip with father-son thing, right?
Yeah.
Where'd you guys come from so
We're coming
far?
from Ohio, so we're close to 700 miles or 650 miles.
And where are you gonna? Well, you're ending back home, but
Ending
where's
back
the end
home.
on it?
So we're kind of doing Route 66. We're helping on and off of. We dealt with today, and we said that was too much to turn on off the highway. So, but we'll be going out to basically New Mexico border of Texas,
Oh wow!
up through Colorado, Mount Rushmore, Iowa. So it's
Yeehaw.
close to a 4,000 mile round trip.
I'll give you some pointers on where to go here and see if what you guys are interested in, because there's some other things that, like, if you don't want to see the whole Branson Bass Pro that we got thing going out here in lakes and stuff, there's some cool Route 66 gas stations that you should swing by and stuff. So sweet. It's a cool truck right here, man. Alrighty, guys. Talk to you later.